Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
आज NH 566 पर 184.05 करोड़ रुपए की लागत से बनी 3.84 किलोमीटर लंबी लोटोलिम गांव से वर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट तक की 4 लेन सेक्शन की सड़क कनेक्टिविटी परियोजना का राष्ट्र को आज लोकार्पण किया जा रहा है।
This highway 566 is just thrown open for general public just about two weeks ago, and this is a welcome disaster for the villagers of Lodhuli. Coal like this passing by overloaded every now and then, every day, hundreds of trucks passing by, owned by one of the member of the Legislative Assembly of Goa. I think this is just the beginning of what we are going to see in the future for our village. The residents are facing so much of difficulties, and if we look at this, I think in the forthcoming time, whatever, we are going to see just much more than what we are seeing today. This is all coal, what we can see, powdered coal. It's all going to go into the fields, and it's going to be a disaster for our farmers over here.
हो तुम्ही कोळशाचो ट्रक पडला त्यान चोयल्यार तुमकां घडटा आमगेल्या रस्त्यार कितें चलता तें आतां आमगेलो गव्हर्मेंट तोंड बंद करून आहा आमगेली बोरयेची ब्रीज हे भाशेन तुमी लोड जाले जाल्यार कितें दिसतली की तुमी चोयची